Hello everyone, I'd like to put short video how I clean my siding for restaining. I'm in Massachusetts and this is cedar shake siding that was stained about 12 years ago with solid color bear stain. I cleaned already this half. This is north side of the house, so I cleaned this half. This half needs to be cleaned. So as you can see, it has mildew, some dirt. For the cleaning solution, I'm using this Pool Essentials chlorinating liquid that I bought at local Walmart. This one has 10% of sodium hypochlorite. If you buy regular household bleach, it usually has between 3 to 6% of sodium hypochlorite. Now, I use 2 cups of this chlorinating liquid to 1 gallon of water in this 1 gallon sprayer, and I add 1 ounce of Dawn dishwashing liquid as a surfactant. Then I apply this cleaning solution to the siding from the bottom up, wait for approximately 10 to 15 minutes. Make sure it doesn't dry, and then I rinse it with my power washer. And as you can see, it cleans really well. This is the portion that needs to be cleaned, and this that I just cleaned. I'm applying my cleaning solution with a garden sprayer. I'm using just 1 gallon simple garden sprayer from the bottom up, and then I'm rinsing with power wash carefully from top down. And I'll show you how it works. So right now I'm spraying, and it works immediately. Immediately we will see the difference. Okay, so this is the portion that needs to be cleaned, and this I just finished rinsing. I haven't cleaned the top yet. I ran out of the solution, so I'm going there right now. I'm gonna prepare a new solution. I'm gonna do it. But you can see how clean on the bottom and how dirty on the top. And also this portion. I finished washing the entire house. I like the result very much. This cleaning solution definitely works. There are some areas where I have some finish come off, but I was expecting that. That was the purpose of this wash, for refinishing the house. So I will be restaining house with the solid color stain. If you have grass or vegetation next to the house, it's a good idea to sprinkle it with water and then wash the house. But what I've noticed, this solution seems like not aggressive on grass and bushes, so I don't have any discoloration or anything. And also I've used commercially available that I bought at store cleaning solutions before, and this solution that I'm using now works better. Good luck, and thank you for watching.